You've never worked out consistently but want to, or you're starting again after years away, this video is for you. And if you've got an established routine, send this to someone who needs it and wants to start. How many times have you started a gym routine and quit in 3 weeks? It's not a willpower problem, it's a method problem. Hear me out. I know this because I've lived this in the past. I've had zero fitness routine, zero confidence, and zero idea what I was doing, and very intimidated by the gym, especially lifting weights. Today, I lift 4 to 5 days a week. I've got a coach and I look forward to it. The difference wasn't motivation, it was a method. Discipline with grace, not punishment. And that's what I'm handing you today. And today I love my workout routine and look forward to it every single day. The fitness industry sold us one reason to exercise. We're gonna shrink, we're gonna lose weight, let's fit into the smaller jeans. And when motivation is tied to a number on the scale, it's a slippery slope. It's fragile. The second the scale doesn't move, motivation is gone. So let's throw that out. Fitness over 40 isn't about chasing your 25-year-old body. It's not. It's about building a body that carries you powerfully through the rest of your life. That's the rebrand mindset. We're not going backwards. We are building forward. Ask yourself, can I say yes immediately when my grandkids beg me to play? Can I lift my suitcase and put it over the overhead compartment without help? Am I protecting my bone density, my heart, my independence for the next 40 years? This is functional fitness training for the life you actually want. Your homework right now, write down your real why. Not the Instagram version, not the bathroom mirror version. Put it where you'll see it daily. When motivation fades, and it will, this is your anchor. Here's the trap. The before and after culture convinces us it's all or nothing. Perfect Monday workout, perfect Tuesday, perfect Thursday. A meeting runs long, you miss it, and suddenly you're like, oh, I failed, forget it, I'll restart on Monday. That's the loop. It's the number one reason habits die. Your new mantra, and I want you to actually say it out loud: consistency over perfection. I say that all the time. The goal isn't a perfect workout. The goal is a non-zero day. Use the 5-minute rule on your worst days. 5 minutes of movement. That's it. Not because 5 minutes builds muscle, but because it builds self-trust. Every time you keep that tiny promise to yourself, you're casting a vote for who you are becoming. And when you miss a day, that's not a moral failing, that's data. Get curious, not critical, adjust and move on. Consistency beats perfect every single time. A study in the British Journal of Health Psychology found motivation alone barely moved the needle on exercise adherence, but having a concrete plan led to 91% success rate. So here's your plan. 3 parts. Schedule it, anchor it, start it ridiculously small, so easy that you can't say no. Schedule it, open your calendar right now. Block your workouts like meeting with your boss, because they're meetings with your future self. Tuesday, gym. Non-negotiable. If someone asks for that slot, sorry, I have an appointment. No explanation needed. Anchor it. This is habit stacking I always talk about. Link the new habit to something you already do automatically. Right after my morning coffee, sneakers go on and I'll take my 15-minute walk. The coffee is the trigger, no decision making required, and less decision fatigue means more discipline. With grace, not white knuckling willpower. Start ridiculously small. This is the one people skip, and it's the most important. Your only job for week 1 is to show up, not perform, show up. Sample of your first week. Day 1, walk 10 minutes on the treadmill, go home. Mission complete. Day 2, rest. Lay out your gym clothes for the following day. That's the whole task. Day 3, walk 12 minutes and walk to the dumbbell rack. Pick up 5-pounders, see how they feel. Pick up an 8-pounder, see how it feels, and go home. Day 4, rest. Just think about day 3. You did it. Day 5, go back to the gym, walk 15 minutes, grab the 5 pounds or 8 pounds or whatever weight, do 10 bicep curls in front of the mirror. Done. It feels almost too easy. That's the point. We're removing every excuse and building a chain of small wins until walking through that door isn't scary anymore. It's just a regular Tuesday. Even with the right mindset, gym intimidation is a real thing. And here's your kit. Prep the night before, lay out your clothes, pack your bag, put it by the front door. It's a commitment cue, and it removes the I can't find my sports bra or my AirPods, and then you're like, I guess I won't go. That excuse will be gone. Always walk into the gym with a plan. Wandering around between machines, you're gonna feel like you don't belong there. And that's a lie, because you do belong there. So write your plan on your phone, even if it's 3 lines. Number 1, treadmill 15 minutes. Number 2, dumbbells, 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 3, stretch for 5 minutes. Now you have a plan. So you walk into the gym, you have your checklist, you walk in, check the list, go to the spot, and you're done thinking. Track your wins. Put a big X on the calendar for every day you show up. 2 weeks from now, you'll look back and see you went from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. That chain of X's is proof it's you versus you, and you're winning. Find your people, tell a friend, join a community of women doing this alongside you. Or if you can, work with a coach for a few sessions to learn form and kill the guesswork. Having my coach Ben in my corner changed everything for me, because someone else being invested in your consistency makes it real, and you want to show up and you don't want to let them down. That accountability is everything. I built a free guide, My First Month of Fitness After 40, that takes everything we just covered and turns it into a printable day-by-day plan. The link will be in the description. And if this hits home, hit subscribe. This channel is for women who are done starting over and ready to build something that lasts. That's the whole rebrand. One more thing, comment below with one small commitment this week. I'll walk 10 minutes. I'll download the guide. Write it down, make it real, and let's hold each other accountable in the comments. The secret was never finding more willpower. It's about a smarter, kinder method, one rooted in your real why, built on consistency over perfection, made possible through small, smart steps, and backed by a confidence kit that takes the fear out of the room. You don't need to overhaul your life. You need one tiny step, then the next. Remember, you're not too old and it's not too late. This is your rebrand, and it starts today. I'll see you in the next video.